me know when it started. It
Hopping
started? Alright. When I don't see the live.
I have to open my computer.
What's your name?
Jin Sexong.
I'm searching this up because it won't show up.
Yo.
Ginseng. Doesn't say. Oh wait, you're live. Oh wait, you're not. There you go. Oh, I can hear us. Oh, see.
How do I sound?
Oh, that's the problem though. We can't hear you. You can hear the call, but we can't hear you. No. You can fix it. Look, Bob the Builder.
Today.
Yes. Do that. Let me know when you did it so I can tell.
Alright. How about now? Is this good? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, can you
Here. I'm not even streaming this, so I can say. Because my laptop's acting stupid.
I think I can hear you, but you're really low.
Oh, well, how long is the
Wait. Yeah, I can hear you, but you're really low. The game is at a alright volume. I turn it down like slightly.
let me. Alright, let me go to the sound setting.
Yeah, you're there. You're just really low. That's what it is.
Here's what well, actually, let me disable mic one.
Mike 1. Aku, you help him for a second. I'm gonna go put popcorn in the thing.
Okay, I'll try, but I won't promise cooperation.
Okay, sweetie.
Can y'all hear me? Wait, I have to change that. So y'all can hear me in Discord, but y'all can hear me.
Hold up, I'm opening Twitch. You're on Twitch, right?
Yeah, I set everything default, and for mic setting 1 and 2, I put microphone right. I don't know. Alright, how long now?
I can still hear you in here. I can hear fine. Vision went to go.
No, there's like 4 bars on screen. I'm listening to you guys.
What?
I don't think that's exactly what that means.
I do, sweetie.
Your voices are like red every time you talk.
Oh no.
Voice bar.
That's no good.
Well, how do you sound?
Aku, do we sound loud? I'm not at the stream right now.
Bruh.
I'm
I'm
not at my.
still trying to get
Well,
into it.
I'm at it, but I'm. Oh, you're still okay. I'll open on my phone. Hold on.
Yeah, okay.
Insane.
Open it on my phone. I'm stupid.
Just a bit.
Not the desktop notification.
Hello.
I still don't know how to turn that off. Bruh.
Hello. Testing.
Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, we don't
Finally
sound
open.
loud.
Alright.
Actually, no. Turn us down a little bit. Actually.
Aku sounds robotic.
That's how I always sound.
Nah, y'all are. Wait,
Okay, yeah. Turn us down a little bit.
yeah, well, hold on. Do me a favor and not say anything for this. Okay, I can barely hear myself. Yeah, I can see. Y'all are up way too loud. Let me disable these. Disable. How about now?
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. And then it freezes.
And then it freezes. No, I can hear y'all. I'm just trying to get it to be like the best settings possible. Maybe I should keep the audio.
We don't. Yeah, we're there. I don't know if I could. You need to be turned up a little bit. That's all I can say. Turn us down slightly, turn yours up, and then turn the game audio a little bit down. And then
Right.
Okay. Yeah, sneeze.
did you sneeze?
I did. Yeah, sneeze.
Bless you.
I did. Oh wow, I really do sound like a robot.
Oh my god.
I really do sound like I'm looking at the stream. Yeah? I don't know what that was. Yeah, maybe. Hello, hello, hello.
Testing, testing. Do we sound great? I don't know. I can't tell. Let me get to my PC real quick. Running. Okay, we sound good.
Yay. Now I can exit out of this.
But do we hit that? I like I do.
Bruh. Not like this. This is awful. Okay. Okay. Bruh. What's happening? No. Ooh. Y'all it? This is Vogue. Gee. Very much. 5B.
Yeah.
Now, yeah. I don't know. Let me see.
We sound like we're in a hologram.
Yeah.
We do. We sound like we're in a hologram.
Exactly.
The streamers do this crap.
They have a lot more time and experience.
Hello? Okay, let me try with my headset. Like, cause I'm using my earbud. How about now?
Good.
Hi.
Hey.
No hesitation.
Maybe. What?
Yes, we do. We
Is that my
hologram,
fault?
like we said earlier. We're in a hologram, maybe.
Fix me then.
No, you sound like you sound like a robot. No, eerie. You sound like a robot going eerie. I'm waiting for you to speak.
Me?
Okay, I don't think I hear anything from you anymore. I'm waiting.
Weird.
In the call you sound fine.
In the call, you sound great. In the stream, I don't know. This is ugly. I swear if you had PC Discord, this would be so much easier. No, you're on PC mode Discord ugly. Oh, you're on actual PC Discord? I thought you said I'm gonna use Discord mode on PC. That's DC. Okay, waiting. It's been delay. I hate it here.
Me too. I am good.
Because we are the light.
That's a good.
Wait a second. Hello?
You think you got it?
Yes?
Did
Do you got it? You got it? You got it? You got it?
you get it, sweetie?
I think we got it.
No.
H.
No, you still sound like a robot that
No,
can't
in the
communicate,
stream?
right?
Bruh.
Yeah. Maybe it's the mic.
What do you mean? I thought you said
Yeah.
I sounded fine on Discord. What is this? Wee!
Because that's Discord!
Yeah, but that's Discord, not on the stream.
Wee! Hate this shit. How's the audio input and output?
Oh wait.
Huh?
Wait, I can hear you. Wait, I can hear you.
Oh, you can hear me. Let's go.
I can hear you.
There are 5 people in here watching this stream.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
SD on
this
this
is
online
some
tournament.
bullshit. Okay, here's
This
what's
is-
gonna happen.
this is
We're
so
gonna-
embarrassing.
We're gonna call that a test stream and not record any further. Let me go offline and then back on. I think these settings are fine. Are y'all alright with this?
Sure.
No, you want to turn yourself up a little bit?
I don't know how.
Oh.
I don't know how to turn y'all down
Okay.
either. That's the sad part.
Oh my god. Okay, we'll just leave it as this. If this is the best we can get.
Hang on,
Yeah.
like someone's
With-
gonna
without
have to tell
screwing
me
it up.
how to adjust this.
I wish I was right there next to you. I could freaking try to figure it out and help. But
Yeah.
freaking heckin' darn heckin' freaking.
Oh, it's double. Okay, let's not do that.
It sounds like there's 2 of me.
Alright, delete it. I think we'll keep these settings. It's audio input capture and video capture.
Am I the only one hearing that screeching sound?
No.
No, you are not the only one.
What is that?
Is it in the stream?
Well,
Shit, yeah it is.
Yes.
Aku!
what?
Is that you, sweetie?
It
I
probably is, but
don't
here's
think
the
it
thing.
is.
No!
Why would it
You're
be?
gonna have to use a different device or something. I don't know what it is, but that's been happening
Streams suck.
for a while now.
So it's coming from me?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
It stopped.
Oh, it stopped? Weird.
Mm-hmm.
Any idea what that was?
No.
Well, I just
Not
closed
a-
out
not
the
a
Twitch
single
tab,
clue.
so that was probably it.
Oh, that's crazy.
I guess.
Well, it sounds pretty good
I
right
don't
now. Hang on.
Get it? This world makes no sense.
Alright, so I'm probably gonna be the lowest volume nigga here, and I'm okay with that. The main thing I wanted was to be sure to pick y'all up. I'd rather me sound more quiet and y'all be turned up, because, you know, if niggas are soft-spoken and call, it can pick it up really well. So this is the dream. We've done it, boys.
And what if somebody is loud as hell?
Oh.
Right.
He said right.
You can just turn them down in the Discord thing.
Well, I don't know how to turn them down in the Discord thing. I literally just altered my settings around and it didn't seem to change.
Don't you like tap on their name and then have like the volume?
Oh,
bar
that's
and
what
just
you
lower it?
mean. I'm stupid as fuck. Hold on.
What did you think I meant?
Listen, I went to the actual settings, like my overall volume input and
Ugly.
output. Shut up! I
Ugly.
don't like you! Corny! Hang on.
All this time.
Shut up, y'all. Ugly. Wait, why was I just volume it? Okay, let me.
You can do that with us too.
Alright, I'll talk.
Probably even it out.
You can do that with
Okay, he's quiet now. Hang on. Let me see.
Yeah.
you can do that with
No, the screeching is back.
Is it? Yes, it is.
Let's keep this one at a solid 75%. Ah, not the desktop notifications. This is not what we like to see. Alright, Vision, it's your turn. I think your volume's fine though, to be
And low.
Hold on. No! Vision, the
What?
screeching is from you!
Oh.
What?
Oh.
No!
Wow. Wow. You were so
I thought
sure.
that was Aku.
I bet you
I
did.
noticed because I'm looking at the call now, right? And
Mhm.
only his mic was going green when that was happening. No.
So what made you so sure it was me before?
I mean, it's happened before. That's why.
Why is it coming from me? If it would come from me, why can I hear it?
That's a good question. I think it may be a mic issue. What are you using? Mobile?
Well, I just
It's
muted
fixed now.
stream. I just muted the stream.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the stream is what's causing it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, because I just muted the stream and
No,
then
it's
it
all
stopped.
good. I just wanted to do a sound test because you know
Yeah.
I technically can do this myself since I have a computer and a phone. I could just check it on both, but
Right.
enough of the echo. I'm gonna need y'all to just go ahead and talk. Well, go ahead. Sound test.
What's up? Here. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
I don't know how to raise
We are
volume.
here. We are testing things.
'Cause I can hear myself.
Indubitably.
I just want y'all's volume to be alright.
Doom, 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 doom. Doo 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 doo.
Alright, I think this is fine. I have you both at a cool 75%, but if we need to change shit, we'll get it popping. Alright, so I'm gonna end the stream and then put it back up. Yeah, thanks for coming, and I'll be sure to reissue the notification that I'm live. Jeez, that was a pain. What was that, like?
Follow from Gene Satan.
That's crazy. I'm trying to become affiliated, because I look at my, stream statistics so far, and it says currently we have 4 viewers, we've been on for 20 minutes, no clips, 26 viewers overall, and 25 followers. I'll be affiliated
What
once
is
I've
affiliate, dude? Is that like
8 hours total,
is that like
and I've gotten like 50.
like give you money?
Oh, you're asking if you can donate? I don't know. I don't know about the donation settings of this shit. If you could send me like $1 or $5 as a test, that'd be dope. I don't think I have any like donation settings turned on. Like it's not gonna be like Nairos, I've got your back. I really wish I could. I don't know how to do shit.
Kinda took the scales. You have to be probably have to be affiliate. Something like that.
Yeah, like I think you need to reach a certain point before you can just start accepting donations. You can't hop on Twitch and get rich, I don't think.
And what does an affiliate do specifically? Is that like
affiliate is like the first step to being a Twitch streamer, and then when you're partnered is when you have like clout on Twitch. Like you have a decent amount of following / niggas can recognize you, and
yeah.
a whole lot of gifts. Like if someone crashed my stream right now, I'd be so mad because this is a sound test, bro. I don't want Dark Wizzy to be like, hey yo, this nigga just streaming.
Hey yo, this is a host. And then you're like, oh, well, this is the sound test we got. Dark Wizzy.
Alright, so yeah, y'all sound good to me right now. The screeching has left. Aku, can you talk real quick?
Can I talk real quick?
Yes.
I don't know. Okay.
I don't know, can I? Talking. I'm here.
When
I
I have
exist.
the volume all the way up, y'all sound perfectly fine. But at like a relatively low volume, it sounds like y'all need to be turned up.
Nice.
Alright, we are good to go. I'm gonna stop the stream and re-put it up in about like
Another one. Cool.
We put it